everyone, this is Tay and Kevin, and welcome back to the vlog Takes Two to Travel. Do you ever want to go and visit the Sea of Clouds in Sagada or Mount Pulag? Well, lucky for us staying in Manila, we don't need to go far to catch a glimpse of that majestic view. We can easily visit Tanay Rizal, which is a quick 1 to 2 hour drive from Manila. This place is called the Treasure Mountain and is located in Sitio Maysawa. Another good thing is there's so much hiking required, so even kids 10 years old above and seniors will be able to visit this place. The easiest and fastest way to get to the campsite is by your own car, so we highly recommend to use a private vehicle as the place is secluded and far from the main road, so commuting is a bit challenging. The road going up might be a bit rough for sedan cars, but it's manageable. Actually, ang ginamit namin is a hatchback, so there's no need to worry if you're planning to bring the same type of car. Please also expect 1 kilometer off-road ride from the main road, so be extra careful. For those interested going, it's important to check the weather a day before your visit para maiwasan ang ulan at maputik na daan. The registration is just beside the parking area. For a day tour and overnight stay, please see your rates shown at the screen. And please don't forget to read the important reminders. Now let's go and check the amenities inside.
Upon entering, you'll be greeted by these two cuties. A few tips para sa mga day tour visitors. It's important na makarating kayo bago mag 5:30 a.m. para maabutan ng sunrise and the sea of clouds, as this usually occurs from 5 a.m. until 8 a.m. depending on the weather condition. By the way, pinapayagan lang nila ang visitors until 3 p.m. Here's the cafeteria. More on this later on. This is the car glamping area. It's exclusive for 4x4 vehicle owners with a glamping setup. Now let's go to the campsite and view deck area and see the most exciting part of this place, the Sea of Clouds. Please be reminded that pitching your own tent is not allowed, as they have their own tent. See activity rates shown at the screen. Here's the cafeteria where you can get your breakfast, snacks, and drinks. You can enjoy having breakfast with a view. Comfort room is just beside the cafeteria.
We hope you enjoy our tour in Treasure Mountain. If you enjoy watching our vlogs, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you on our next travel vlog.
Thanks for watching!